Well, the city of Long Beach appears to have its first 3 cases of coronavirus.
Health officials say preliminary tests show that 2 men and a woman have the virus. That makes 19 cases now in LA County, including the first community spread case. That means the person has no obvious signs of infection. A second person here in California has died from the disease, and at least 120 people in our state are sick. 26 people in the U.S. have died, with more than 700 active cases across the United States. Our CBS 2's Cara Finnstrom is live at Long Beach Memorial with an update on the newest cases and what they're doing there. Cara.
Good morning, Sandy. As you mentioned, the 3 people sick here have preliminarily tested positive for COVID-19. So city leaders now waiting for final results from the CDC, but they're not waiting to take any precautions. Just behind us here, you can see the Long Beach Memorial Hospital. EMTs with masks are greeting everyone coming into the ER here. And outside of the hospital, a triage area with a tent has been set up. Let's give you a closer look. Masks can be given out here to anyone who's sick, and people suspected of possibly having COVID-19 put into isolation. Hospital officials want to be prepared in case there's an influx of patients. So, also set up by the city is a joint incident command center to coordinate responses. City health leaders say 2 men and 1 woman were diagnosed. 2 of them are family members. They're in isolation at home. They're suspected of getting the virus during a cruise on the Nile River. The 3rd patient is hospitalized here at Long Beach Memorial in isolation, in stable condition. That person had recently been in an area of Northern California where there's been community transmission. Here's what we're hearing about the medical investigation underway.
We are actively tracing the whereabouts of the patients while infectious, contacting and monitoring close contacts of the patients, working with local healthcare facilities to monitor healthcare workers who may have been exposed. At this time, health officials are not recommending the closures of schools or other public facilities, and if that changes, we will provide further instruction.
Now, on a separate note, there are 10 students at Cal State Long Beach who are in quarantine. They were at a conference, a large conference in Washington, D.C., where a couple of the other attendees later tested positive. So they are in quarantine as a precaution. But DeMarco, Sandy, we are hearing from university leaders that at this point, none of them have shown any symptoms of the virus.